how to make an iced caramel latte using your Keurig machine. You'll need an espresso roast K-cup, a nice tall glass, about 6 ounces of milk, and caramel sauce. Start off with lining the glass with your caramel sauce. Next, you're going to want to power on your Keurig machine. Press the start button. Add about 6 ounces of milk to the froth pitcher. You're going to fill it all the way up to the latte line. Since we're making an iced drink, hit the cold button first and then press the latte button. When making iced coffee drinks using froth, you're going to want to be sure you press the cold button before you start frothing. This stops the heating process and keeps your milk at a cold temperature. Once it's done, you can go ahead and pour your froth into your tall glass that's lined with caramel and filled with ice. It's time to open up your Keurig and put your espresso K-cup inside the machine. Do this by lifting up the handle, inserting the K-cup, and pressing down on the top. Once closed, press the latte cap button. You'll now see the shot button is solid and the K is blinking. Press K to start. Remember, you lined your glass with caramel, filled it with ice, and cold milk froth. Once your espresso starts to dispense, it will cool down rapidly. If you love looking at layers in your latte, you won't be disappointed. This iced caramel latte also has layers. Feel free to top it off with more caramel drizzled on top. You just made an iced caramel latte using your Keurig. Deliciously cold. Enjoy.